Welcome to Shiny Sprouts. The Wise Parrot. Time changes everything. Story for kids. Once upon a time, in a peaceful green forest, there lived two beautiful parrots. They were brothers, one older and wise, the other younger and playful. Their feathers shone bright green. Their beaks were red like berries. They spent their days singing sweet songs, flying from tree to tree, and enjoying the calm forest life. One sunny morning, a hunter entered the forest. He saw the two parrots and thought, "What a lovely pair! The king will surely love them." He spread his net quietly, and before the parrots could fly away, both were caught. The parrots fluttered and chirped, but it was too late. The hunter placed them carefully in a cage and carried them to the king's palace. At the palace, he bowed before the king and said, "O king, look at this beautiful pair of parrots I caught in the deep forest. I brought them as a gift for you." The king smiled with delight and rewarded the hunter with 1,000 gold coins. The parrots were placed in a golden cage and given the best care. They were served delicious fruits every day and became the center of attention in the palace. Even the young prince loved to visit them and listen to their cheerful chirping. The younger parrot said, "Brother, we are so lucky. Look at our new home and all this royal food." The older parrot replied, "Yes, but remember, nothing lasts forever. Let us stay wise and grateful." Many days passed happily. Then, one day, another hunter brought a black monkey named Kala Balu to the palace. The monkey made everyone laugh with his funny tricks, and soon the king and prince were spending all their time watching him. The parrots were forgotten. Days went by, and sometimes they didn't even get their food on time. The younger parrot sighed, "Brother, our happy days are gone." The older parrot said gently, "Be patient, my dear. Nothing is permanent in this world. These bad days will also pass." One afternoon, Kala Balu became too playful. He jumped and screamed so wildly that the prince got frightened and cried for help. The king rushed over and, seeing what happened, ordered the monkey to be sent back to the forest immediately. After the monkey left, the parrots were remembered again. They were served fresh fruits, and the palace once more filled with their cheerful songs. The older parrot looked at his brother and said, "See, my brother, time never stays the same. We must always have patience." The younger parrot smiled. He now understood his brother's wisdom, that life keeps changing, and patience helps us through every hardship. Moral: nothing is permanent in life. Patience and wisdom help us overcome difficult times. Kids takeaway: sometimes your friend might stop talking to you when they find a new friend. But don't feel sad. Just be patient and kind. Soon, things will change, and you'll make new friends or your old friend will come back. Remember, nothing stays the same forever and good times will return. Please subscribe to Shiny Sprouts channel. Thank you.